everyone, welcome back. My name's Jeff. This is Gemini. I camp in the back of my truck, make some sort of meals. All depends on the day. I'm here at riding on Stone again. It's been pretty beautiful. The last time I was here, there was a lot of snow. Most of the campsites are pretty free of snow. There's a few sites that are pretty full still, but for the most part, I would say 90% of these are pretty empty. So yeah, I just need to get everything set up, my awning, and get the heater going. It's going to be a little chilly tonight. I'm going to run it anyways. I have to pay for a paid site anyways. I have to go pay for my site first, and then I will see you when we get back. Yeah, baby. So, excuse the background noise. Some workers are pruning some trees, and it's a little windy, so there might be a little wind noise. So, I got a raspberry porter from Growly Beer Company, the same one as Coffee by Death the last time I drank it. We're gonna see. It says it's a strong beer, so last time I had a raspberry porter was probably the Tree Brewing Company quite a few years ago. They discontinued it, and I haven't found one that I quite like the last one. So here goes nothing. How many percent was that? Actually, not bad. It says it's a strong beer, but So yeah, excuse the background noise. I'm just been hanging out at the campsite. I've got everything set up, my awning and stuff. So yeah, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, share. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and I have Patreon at patreon.com/Gemini the Truck. Easy to find. So I think I'm just gonna hang out for a bit longer. I'm not gonna go too far from my campsite because a couple of these workers were a little sketchy. They came over and were like scoping out my truck and stuff and what's in my truck, so I don't necessarily trust them much. So I'm just gonna hang out, drink this beer, and then I think I'm gonna make supper, I don't know, probably in the next couple hours here. Nothing special. I picked up like an instant rice thing. I have some chicken. I'm gonna fry some chicken and throw the rice thing in there. Should be good. Something easy and stuff, so yeah, it'll be good. Alright, I'm just gonna hang out, and I will probably have a fire in a bit here, and I'll see you later. Hey everyone, I've been just hanging out. I had a little bit of a fire, but you know what? I'm getting hungry. So I brought myself something different. I bought one of these kind of like pre-made rice things that you just kind of heat up in a pan, and some chicken. I'm gonna fry that up, and then I'm just gonna add the rice in, and yeah, I'm gonna have myself like a fried chicken rice bowl, I guess. I don't know. Something different. I never know what I feel like eating from one day to the next, so I just kind of wing it. So, yeah. And then after this, I think we're just going to hop in the back of the truck and hang out, watch a movie or two, and then it's starting to get chilly. So, yeah, I'm just going to start making this. All right, not bad. It's easy. Oh. Let's see how she tastes. Yeah, tastes pretty good. Yeah, sorry about the video. Lots of background noise earlier. Sometimes it just happens. So I'm gonna eat this up, and then I think I'm just gonna hop in the back of the truck. It's gonna be dark, probably in the next hour or so. I'm eating really early. I'm starving. So I'll see you in the morning. All right. Have a good one. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna make a quick coffee here. I slept pretty good. It's like 6:20 in the morning. Always get up this early. So I'm gonna make a quick coffee. I got very little stuff to pack up, and then we're out of here. I'm in the truck. It was a pretty good night. Yeah, it was awesome. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. I'm gonna close it out here. I really appreciate everybody that is subscribed to my channel. I hope I get some more. All right.
I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.